then I went before Manya joined Target. That was, I think, a year back. I had gone to another coaching center. But frankly, there was a stark difference in the behavior of the faculty or staff at the reception. Here it's very warm, very homely. It's a lot of attachment the parents feel, a lot of involvement right from the reception to Kiran ma'am. And then further on, going to the classes, and see, they are very disciplined. We are not allowed to go to the classes or check on the students. I think it's not needed only. It's absolutely. Initially, I was, being a mother, I was skeptical that kahan class hai, kya hoga, kaise hoga. But when Manya, after 2 or 3 classes, she said, "Nahi, please keep away."
Yeah.
It's something absolutely comfortable. So, aap rehne dijiye. So that made me all the more comfortable. And then they have a nice canteen. She would hog on momos there. They were given breaks and classes इनकी shifts में चलते थे. Curriculum इनका इतना structured है. Timetables. There are these different, every group. She was in TT3. So every group has these segregated WhatsApp groups. और TT3 group में where the child and one parent or both the parents are added. Rows. There is a fixed timetable आता है, पूरा schedule आता है. Along with this, I mean, I have not seen a timetable like this. I, being the vice principal, I was thinking of applying this kind of timetable at my place, in my college. So, it's so well structured that बच्चे का room number कौन सा होगा, किस टाइम से किस टाइम कहाँ होगा, कब उसका break होगा, कब उसका DPT होगा, कब उसका RTS होगा, कब उसका GTS होगा. One fantastic concept they have after the board exams. The board exams culminated on the 19th. Yeah, on the 19th. For science students, bio was the last paper. Immediately on 28th, the GTS started. GTS is the Grand Test Series. जिसमें कि जो किरण मैम ने बताया था that it will be a conglomeration of the entire subject जिसमें questions pick up होके आएंगे. This GTS has been very instrumental, very instrumental in structuring Manya to appear for NEET towards the tail end, the last 1 month. The last month was just GTS every alternate day for all the batches. इसके एक आध छूट भी गए थे. We could not go. She was tired or she was just wanting to rest. But then see, we will send the papers. The papers you can get the PDF of the papers, or you can look up the papers. The answer keys are given. See, the amount of support which a child gets and a parent gets from this place, I don't think it is possible anywhere else, because in simple terms, as I would put it, it's not for commercial purpose. The other places are very commercialized. Yeah. There's no connectivity with the teacher.
We get to hear this a lot of times, like
yes,
from a lot of parents.
Highly commercialized. Target is not at all commercialized. Absolutely nil. I have not felt an ounce of commercial or a marketing thing. Okay, get your child here. We'll give you this. We'll give you that, and we'll give you this scholarship and that scholarship. No, absolutely nothing. What a child deserves, they get it, and then they work on the child. They actually work on the child. In return, what happens is, if a child goes who is not maybe very keen, I think towards the end they become very keen.
Yes.
They become very keen, and this is the key to their success.
Okay.
That they have the quality in their teachers and the institute that you can not really push the child, but guide them towards their best potential. This is not possible at any other place. Absolutely not possible. It is like anybody coming, and I've been just telling all my friends that they just don't even go anywhere. In fact, I think 2 of my friends have got their kids admitted. So
I guess this is the biggest marketing which can be done, like the word of mouth, the reference.
The reference is what is important, and it builds you a reputation. It gets you a reputation, because it is not just that you have to earn money and then you get a child through NEET. No, I think they make this whole process a very lifelong connection. I would keep in touch with Kiran ma'am lifelong now. because this is how we need to. They don't build students. I think they build personalities. You know, you need to.
And I guess this needs to be done because discipline is something which is required in this sort of a profession throughout the profession, like throughout their career.
Right.
Discipline is something which is required.
Discipline is something they are ingrained with, and they are built into personalities which are. It is not just studies. There is a lot of study, but it is done in a way that you actually enjoy it. You know,
Yes.
you don't hate studies. You don't.
Yes.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. ये मुझसे नहीं होगा. ये मैंने कभी नहीं सुना. It was Manya was very motivated after she started going there. She said, "School. I don't understand anything at school, but at this place, I mean." She was telling about the structure of an eye. So that was taught to her. She said, "I'll never forget it in my life now. The way I've been taught. मुझे where is which nerve going? Where does it move? And see, this is what is needed. This is exactly what is needed. The involvement of the teacher. मैंने इतना involvement I have not seen it at school, of course. Less, very few, handful of teachers. But at other institutes and her friends, from what I have heard, is you're given test series, then you have online tests. There are, and they always prefer offline because you need to be in physical connectivity with the teacher. I was given an option. In fact, we were thinking of that, but somehow I was not comfortable. I felt no, it is worth traveling and going to Target and getting involved in what is being taught. Initially, it was. First 1 month was a little difficult. Saturday, Sundays we had taken, but gradually 4 महीने में we decided that no, we'll go in for weekday schedule. और उसके बाद then we got the 12th books, the syllabus. हर word उनको पढ़ाया गया है. All these are my reflections of the last 1 month when I was sitting with her and really seeing what she's done. What I observed was that the concepts are crystal clear to her. She would do one question, she would tell me, okay, give me 2 minutes, give me 1 minute, I'll just do it. There's something on the question paper, okay. Then I would sit with the MCQ, she would say answer 2, okay, done. Okay, answer 3, okay, done. This wrong, oh, no, what, okay. So, very rarely ये होता था कि ये क्यों नहीं आया, और जब उसको समझ में आ भी जाता था, oh, my fault, my fault, that means
Yes.
बच्चे को इतनी क्लैरिटी आ गई है कि कहाँ मेरी गलती हो रही है और मैंने कंसेप्ट ठीक लगाया. इसका कहीं पे आई एम नॉट रियली बोस्टिंग, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि मैंने इसका कहीं भी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री में एक भी कंसेप्ट गलत होते हुए नहीं देखा है. कैलकुलेशन में हाँ प्लस माइनस इधर उधर कुछ हो रहा था इसका. दैट इज व्हाट वाज फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हर, बट कंसेप्चुअली एब्सोल्युटली पानी की तरह एकदम साफ इतना क्लियर करके दिया, जो which is very important, you know, when you go for these exams, in that stress, अगर आपका concept है मुझे apply कौन सा formula करना है, उतना सोचने का भी time नहीं होता है.
Yes.
So they get you to the level that आपने question देखा, and now you know subconsciously
Yes.
ये formula लगेगा.
Yes.
So they are trained to that extent. See, getting them trained to that extent is not
Yes.
easy. It is you have to get very involved with the child's study pattern. उसको समझ आया या नहीं आया और उसको रिपीट करना 4-5 बार, तब जाके ये लेवल आता है.
Yes.
ये चीज़ टारगेट के अलावा आई डोंट थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल एनीवेयर एल्स. आई थिंक दे जस्ट गिव यू, एक बार पढ़ा देंगे, देन दे विल गिव यू 4 आंसर शीट्स और क्वेश्चनर्स एंड देन दे विल टेल यू ओके ये कर लो. अब बच्चा अपने में उलझा रहे, ये लगाऊं या वो लगाऊं या ये लगाऊं या वो लगाऊं, क्या करूं.
Correct.
राइट, वहां पर एकदम क्लियर है, ये है, इसमें आपने यहाँ गलती की है. और ये मुझे रियलाइजेशन मार्च अप्रैल में हुई है 23 में, जब हम साथ बैठ के एमसीक्यूज करना शुरू हुए. क्योंकि इट वाज, आई सेड यू डूइंग इट वेरी क्विक, दैट्स वेरी फास्ट. Target. see, this is how they train their children. So, I mean, according to me, I think it's the best place in India.
Ma'am, one thing which I've been noticing is that like you're involved with Manya. since the day one, and it has not been a roller coaster ride. I guess when I meet parents, they say कि it has been a roller coaster ride for us, like an emotional roller coaster, the ups and downs. But I guess it was something which you have enjoyed, like actually seeing her improve and seeing her prepare for this journey is something which you've been enjoying.
Yes, we've thoroughly enjoyed. We've thoroughly enjoyed our journey.
No, I've
In
like
fact,
the way you were telling.
yes. See, there have been ups and downs and cryings and this and that, and sometimes this, that. But overall, I'll tell you, in fact, 95%, it's been a fantastic journey. Because वो जब आती थी वहाँ से, she was just beaming with confidence. ये मैं कर लूँगी, ये भी हो जाएगा, वो भी मैं कर लूँगी. It was never like, अच्छा ये तो मुझसे होगा नहीं, ये मैं कैसे करूँगी? It was never like this. You know? She never had a doubt in herself कि ये नहीं होगा मुझसे. So this is what I love about that place. You send your child, you send with a lot of hope and faith that कि बच्चा हमारा अच्छा है. And hopefully all children should do well, and I think all of them do well. हम parents थोड़ा समझने में गलती करते थे. We don't understand them that well, and ये जो comparative chart हम बना देते हैं, which is total hocus pocus, should be just completely, you know.
That is not required.
Yes, it is not required. It is not required. आपका बच्चा वहाँ 400 भी ला रहा है, 500 भी ला रहा है. See, मानिए as I told you, मुझे हमेशा लगता था 550 है, 570 है, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, नहीं हो रहा है. But see, Kiran ma'am, the way she explained it to me, no, कि नहीं ये this is not it. Don't go by this. You see as to, is she preparing? Just let her keep coming for the test. She missed a few of them, like I think 90% she attended. Those tests have been so instrumental in preparing her for NEET and for appearing for this exam. वो जो confidence से गई थी, I mean 3 hours before the exam, 4 hours before the exam, we just kept all the books aside. अब हो गया, अब जो होगा देखेंगे. I was like नहीं देखो ये भी कर लेते हैं, अच्छा चलो वो भी कर लेते हैं. No, I am done. I am prepared. You know, if a child comes to that level, I am done and I am prepared.
I am prepared enough.
Yes, I am prepared enough, and
I have prepared enough.
When you get a child to that level before such an extensive all India level exam, that means उस institute का बहुत competition, बहुत ज़्यादा
The
competition.
child has built that level of confidence.
They have that level of confidence that I will be able to handle this question, this. Last 2 months, in fact, कुछ तो बीच में boards में निकल गया था, and before that DPTs हो रहे थे, ठंड भी बहुत हो रही थी, pre board practical exams भी चल रहे थे, but they, you know, gradient इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बनाया हुआ है. that पहले 12th का होगा, फिर then we'll revert back to first हम 11th का syllabus cover करेंगे, then we'll do 12th का syllabus ही in fact अक्टूबर में खत्म हो चुका था. Everything, it was finished, and then it was all test series, and it was back and forth 11th and 12th, and so एक दिन 11th का होगा, एक दिन 12th होगा, एक दिन 11th होगा, एक दिन 12th होगा. तो ये जो स्ट्रक्चरिंग इनकी होती है ना, जिस तरह से ये बनाते हैं पूरा शेड्यूल की, आज ये टॉपिक 11th के ये 4 टॉपिक होंगे, इस सब्जेक्ट में से ये होगा, इसमें ये हो गया, बिकॉज आई सैट डाउन एंड आई लुक्ड एट ऑल दी answer keys, not the answer keys, the questionnaires, and then of course जो syllabus deleted था, उसमें से भी कुछ chapters, some were there initially, in fact हमने गलती से कर लिए थे कुछ, और उसके बाद जो वो बना कर देते हैं ना, तो एक चैप्टर को बच्चा मेरे ख्याल से करीब 20 बार कर चुका होता है. Got it? तो क्या है कि लास्ट में आपको सिर्फ थोड़ा सा रटने वाली कुछ चीजें हैं, सिर्फ बायो में, और कुछ फॉर्मूलाज हैं, some r square here, there, here. In fact, I would in fact, Anaya, those notes which you have, those your minuscule notes. She's made these minuscule notes of target. Very beautifully she's made it. Just the sheets बनाई है, and I'll show you those. They're upstairs. So last minute she was just looking at those formulas.
All right.
So what gave me confidence was Target has prepared her so well that वो फॉर्मूला देखती है, उसको पता है कि क्वेश्चन कैसा है, और मुझे ये लगाना कहाँ है. अगर बच्चा इस लेवल पे आ जाए तो इट इज़ फैंटास्टिक. It is absolutely fantastic when a child can look at the formula and know formulate a question.
Yes.
That is not easy. Right? That means कि उसका concept इतना clear है कि इसमें इस 4 तरह के question आ सकते हैं.
Yes.
They go to the extent of teaching subjects to such a depth that your child will be engrossed in analyzing कि ये मुझे question कैसा आएगा और मैं formula कहाँ कैसे लगाऊंगा. Practice इतनी कराते हैं that towards the end you say अब हो गया है. I'm done. I don't want to give any more exam. तो ये होता था. बट जो इनकी लास्ट में टेस्ट सीरीज है GTS, those come in green sheets and very nice booklets. So in fact I'm going to preserve all of them now. So those GTS इसका पेपर वहाँ पर हो जाता था. I think she would say that I can finish it in 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, she would finish it in 2 hours. Then I realized कि इसका पूरा concept clear है. ये गलती कहाँ कर रही है? गलती कर रही है, she's reading the question too fast.
Too fast.
Right? She misses out some word and then she says, oh, I didn't read this. Oh, I didn't read this. And plus and minus. तो मुझे लगा टारगेट ने इसको इस लेवल तक ले आए कि सिर्फ 2 चीज़ों की कमी रह गई है. कैलकुलेशन, कहीं प्लस का माइनस कर रही है, और दूसरा इतना जल्दी पढ़ रही है कि एक वर्ड छूट जाता है तो इसका मीनिंग ही बदल रहा है. तो ऐसा यू जस्ट वर्क ऑन दिस. The rest they prepared you so well.
Yes.
I don't need to do anything. So this was my observation. कि target has groomed us so well, so impeccably well. I say that they just do magic on children. They just do magic on children. Really. I mean, Himania was telling me कि आपने 6 महीना पहले क्यों नहीं कराया? I would have done better. You know, I would have covered up more.
Yeah.
Things like this. Of course, वो regret है मुझे. थोड़ा सा और जल्दी करना चाहिए था.
Yes.
But as parent, I would say that all parents should, in fact, you know, instead of work in conjunction with target. इतना support मिलेगा आपको. And there are times when parents also get very emotional. कि अरे ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा है, वो नहीं कर रहा है. I've never seen any teacher at Target speaking this way to a child. Parents do. In fact, they tell you कि आप जैसा है चले दीजिए. जो है we'll handle it. We'll see it. तो वो स्ट्रेस डाइल्यूट कर देते हैं, प्रोसेस को इतना स्मूथ बना देते हैं कि एक रूटीन सा आ जाता है बच्चे की लाइफ में कि ये मुझे इस तरह से करना है. I've been at observing Manya very closely as to how each day was going. So she would study sometimes throughout night and then she would not get up maybe in the morning or miss one test or something. Things like this have happened. She's missed tests. But then support जो मिलता था that okay fine, avoid missing tests, रात को थोड़ा सो जाओ. But बच्चे सुनते नहीं हैं. नहीं मुझे ये खत्म करना है. I need to finish this, I need to finish that. And then next day see, as parent हमें लगता है अच्छा वो question paper लिया. People are so supportive there. There is at the basement when you go to Target, there is a book center or a bookstore. Anything you ask for, anything, any answer key. Any questionnaire, any DPT series, any RTS, any GTS. It's just available at the very outset you ask. The kind of, I mean, I am really impressed.
These are the minute things.
These are the minute things, yeah. See the minuteness of help and support I have got from them. आज नहीं हो पा रहा है, ये कहीं और हो ही नहीं सकता. You know, I think as parents don't get so involved कि हम ये पेपर ला दें या वो ला दें. तो मुझे लगता है parents की involvement should not be in just pushing them कि ये कर लो, इतने नंबर ले आओ, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. That's not the right way to treat the whole situation.
Support, correct.
Yes, you have to be there when they need help. Your hand has to be there on them.
Yes.
At their back. You know those
Yes.
papers चाहिए. अब आप see, these are the ways they motivate children. They motivate also. Kiran ma'am is very good at motivating children. Absolutely stunning. Very good. Manya tells me कि मैम जब क्लास में आते हैं, जब पढ़ाई हो जाती है, उसके बाद मन करता है कि अब पढ़ाई वढ़ाई बंद करते हैं, मैम की बातें सुनते.
That motivates them. And
Yes, motivates them कि अच्छा, there are so many other things to life.
Yes.
You know, they make it a very colorful class.
Yes.
They make it very interesting. एंड देयर नो लैंग्वेज बैरियर्स. आपको हिंदी में पूछना है आप हिंदी में पूछिए, इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल है इंग्लिश में बताइए. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं विच आर लुक्ड इनटू बाय द इंस्टीट्यूट. ये सपोर्ट पेरेंट्स को मिलना चाहिए. बसेस, टाइमिंग्स, लॉट ऑफ लीवे इन द सेंस कि कभी आप लेट हो गए, कुछ हो गया है. ऑल्दो दे प्रेफर कि आप टाइम पर आए, बट ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन आई हैव आल्सो बीन लेट, माय फॉल्ट आल्सो. So because I had to drop her and then or take help from my mother or rush back to work. So they've been extremely supportive. मतलब मेरे लिए तो it's like my second home. So good. They're so good. They're absolutely stunning.